Hi everyone. Today we will be making oats meal. Oats is very good option for breakfast. There are three type of oats: quick oats, rolled oats and steel cut oats. And they have similar nutrition value. The only difference between them is the cooking time and the time it takes to get digested. Quick oats and rolled oats takes only 3 to 4 minutes to cook, while steel cut oats take about 10 minutes to cook. Steel cut oats are preferred because after eating this, you don't feel hungry for a longer time. This is complex carbohydrates and provides more sustained energy source. So no further delay, let's take 1 cup of steel cut oats. Wash it thoroughly with normal water. By washing, all the impurities will be cleaned. Let's keep this washed oats in a bowl. Now we will take 3 cups of boiling hot water and we will soak the oats for half an hour. A little more than a pinch will put salt and keep it aside for half an hour. Soaking these oats is very important. By soaking, they become soft and the time of cooking reduces. After half an hour, we will put this in a pressure cooker and take 2 whistles. In 2 whistles only, this will become very nice and soft. With these oats, we can make sweet and salty both kind of meals. I will take out half of the oats, put 1 glass of milk in this and boil it for a while so that the consistency is perfect. This milk oatmeal is ready. Now it's time to garnish it. You can garnish this with the fruit of your choice: apple, grapes, strawberries or bananas. I have put some organic honey and cut bananas. Sprinkle some soaked almond flakes or dry fruit of your choice, raisins and whatever you feel like eating. This oatmeal is so fulfilling, healthy and delicious. And I will be making salty oatmeal recipe in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.